My name is Mark Lannon, and I'm an assistant principal at a middle school. Prior to coming to the Brain Restore Centers, I was experiencing a lot of anxiety, uneasy, restless feelings, and I had also experienced a lot of brain fog, forgetfulness. I finally chose to reach out because I had tried traditional methods. I'd done medications, done some counseling, and those things had an impact, but I was searching for a program that would fix the root cause rather than just mask or cover up the symptoms that I was experiencing. Doing a program like this, I think, is a huge commitment. There was a little bit of fear early on, like, is this going to work? Is this all real? And you stick with the program and you trust your team and you see the results, and then you feel that hope. Day to day, I feel more present with my children. I feel more active. I feel like I'm a more productive employee. I've just noticed that my brain is functioning at a higher level, and I feel like I'm able to feel kind of my old self. Things with my spouse have never been better. We went through a lot together, and she was very supportive in this process, but it is a journey, and there is stress, but the team is so supportive and the program is so well structured that it really helps the couple. And the team was great when we started this program, bringing both spouse and patient together to go over the program, so there was no confusion. The therapies used are very broad and holistic, and they're working at your pace with your body, but my favorite therapy was the neurofeedback. Just seeing that score and going over it with the team afterwards and seeing the growth there, and then being able to apply that strategy at work or at home, and feeling my brain self-regulate itself without being prompted. It's just felt so encouraging. Looking forward to the future, I feel hopeful. I feel good. There's going to be bad days, sure, but I now feel, and I've experienced bad days happen, and I am able to manage those because of the therapies and the approach that the team has taken. I would encourage anybody who's curious about this type of a program and brain restoration health. I would encourage them to reach out. There are clinics all across the country. And start the conversation, and then once you're ready and your family's ready, the commitment is big, but it's a big reward.